Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Uh, Today we will discuss that how we can take automatic backup in SQL Server when we use Microsoft SQL Server. So we have to uh, take a backup of databases, or suppose we have multiple databases in our company. uh, Manually it's difficult to take backup every hour or every 2 hour. So we should administrate this automatically. It means that we should set up such an environment that is when the services of the SQL Server agent is activated, so automatically it will take a backup. Suppose in we have services, local services we have, sorry, view local services. Here let's press S and find the SQL Server agent. Okay, here when this services are started, the agent services, suppose I want to start this. I have two SQL Server installed, one 2008 and one 12. So here the multiple services are appearing. So when these services are active, then we should go to the SQL Server and set up an environment for automatic backup. That SQL Server will take the backup automatically. Suppose after 1 hour I want to take a backup, after 2 hours I want to take a backup. So we should adjust this environment that the SQL Server itself will take the backup. Okay, so let us see how we can set up this environment. Open the SQL Server Management Studio. Here in Object Explorer site, select the management, expand this and find the maintenance plan. Right click new maintenance plan. Okay, so in new maintenance plan, suppose I giving a name, daily backup of my DB. Okay, you can specify the database name also for accurate usage. Okay, now this plan is created. Now we have two things here. One, we have the backup database task. Here it is the backup database task that it will take a backup. And we have the second thing in maintenance cleaning task. What it does, with the help of backup database task, we manage that the SQL Server should take a backup of a specific database. Now if in 24 hours it will take, suppose after every hour, it's maybe 12 time it will take a backup. So in 24 hour it's 12 time a backup, I think, because after 1 hour it will take a backup. Now the question is, if it takes backup daily every hour, so in this space is required in a system, that it will reserve a space in our hard disk. So here we use the clean up task, maintenance cleanup task. What it does, it means when a backup is older than 1 day or 2 day, remove that, delete that automatically. It will not reserve a space in your data in your computer. Okay, let us see practically, it will be clear to you guys. Okay, so I have a maintenance plan, and I taken the backup database task, double click on it. Okay, so here we say full database backup we want. The connection is local. If it's a network connection, so you can say new and you will set up. Okay, specify the username and whatever, or select the server name, and else if you take a backup through network. Now here I want to select a database. Which database you want to backup? So let me select, suppose, school database. Okay, done. Okay, so now here the folder, I want to specify a directory for it, that when it take backup, where it will be stored. Now I want to create a directory here, suppose, or in desktop. Don't create a directory for a backup in desktop, it will be risky, but for an example I am creating a folder here, database backup. Okay, copy the URL, now paste it here. Backup file extension should be BAK, backup. Okay, so in this step we are done here. Okay, backup set will expire. No, we don't want that backup to be expired. I want to take complete database backup, so we select the database and we specified the folder where to store, and what is the extension. The extension of the database is, database backup is BAK. Okay, now okay, this done. So this is what backup database task. Local server connection, database name is school, type of backup is full, destination disk, backup compression default, it will compress, it means the size will be reduced. Now I want the maintenance plan. Okay, now I want what? Maintenance plan. No, sorry, delete, double click on it, local server connection, delete files of the following type. If we want the older backup files to be deleted, so we delete the backup files, that's why we select the backup option. Okay, now the main thing is that is delete files based on the age of the file at task runtime. Okay, suppose I select here hours. Okay, it means when 2 or 4 hours gone, the files older than 4 hours will be deleted automatically. Now search folder and delete file based on an extension. Here we have to specify that directory, and then we should specify the extension, that in this directory delete the backup files with extension of BAK after 4 hours. Okay, after 4 hours automatically the older files should be deleted. Okay, now click OK. Done. Save it. Now we have to schedule it. Click here, and what is the plan? Daily backup mydb subplan _1. Okay, this is a subplan. Schedule type is recurring, we want to select, and frequency recurring, we selected the schedule type. So it means that recurring means repeatedly, it will like a cycle. When one cycle is finished, the another will come, the another will come, so repeatedly it will occurs. Now what is the frequency for it? Suppose I say daily it should take, okay, recurs every 1 day. Okay, now the daily frequency, what is the daily frequency? Suppose occurs once at this, suppose when it is 12 a.m. it will take a backup. No, I want occurs every 1 hour. After every 1 hour it will take a backup. Start time this and end time this. Okay, in 24 hour every 1 hour it will take a backup. Start date, start it from today. End date, no end date, it's for long term. Got the option? Okay, good. Okay, now we are done with the maintenance plan, and we have set up the maintenance plan for automatic backup. Now how we can check it? Let's see. This is the directory. So after 1 hour it will take the backup. So it's now 6:58. So how I can wait for 1 hour to see the result here? So it will 100% take a backup after 1 hour. For ensuring that, let's see, we manually run this. Is it working or not? If it's manually working, so automatically it will take a backup after 1 hour also. Right click, execute. See, if it is success, it means the maintenance plan is accurate. Ooh, we are done. Now we are done. Okay, you are champion. Close. Let's see. This is what? School _ backup with a date and time. Got? Okay. Now we have got a backup. It's 7 a.m. and another backup also came automatically when an hour completed. So this is how we can create a maintenance plan for automatic backup. With the help of backup task, we take the backup. With the help of maintenance clean task, it means delete the older backup. Shortly I have to say, when a backup is older than 4 hours, it will automatically delete, and here we can schedule it that occurs daily, and daily frequency 1 hour, and start date or end date, and these are what schedule properties. So Have a good time.